Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make roles in Discord, only ways. Open server settings and select roles to begin creating and assigning permissions. Start by adding a role name and color, then toggle the permissions you want members to have. Explain the importance of role hierarchy and mention settings so bots and moderators act correctly. Finally, test a role with a trusted user to confirm permissions behave as expected before rolling it out. Assigning roles is simple and flexible, and I will walk you through a clean workflow that keeps your server safe and tidy. Click a member, choose roles, and confirm changes while explaining why each permission matters. Use temporary roles for events or moderation so you can remove them later without hassle. I'll also show how to use role presets and bots to automate assignments and make everyday management less tedious. Permissions can be confusing, so I'll break down the key settings and show practical examples that prevent common mistakes. Focus on the least privilege principle. Give only what's needed for tasks. I'll demonstrate testing roles in a private channel and how to resolve conflicts when multiple roles interact. You'll learn to spot risky permissions like administrator and how to limit them to trusted staff to maintain server security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.